Hi, everyone. It's my pleasure to wish everybody the best Thanksgiving that they ever could have. I have so much gratitude for all that is in 2022. I'm excited for my team, for the agents that have worked so hard, for all of our support staff that have worked so hard so that we can take great care of all of our buyers and sellers. This year, Jamal and I have the pleasure, there's Jamal. Jamal and I have the pleasure of spending the holiday on vacation, a little bit different from us. But we are only able to do that because we had such a great year taking care of families, helping families to achieve their goals, helping them to make their home ownership or home sellership come true. And that's all because of you guys. You know, we realize that gratitude is a funny thing. We always have gratitude. It just so happens that on this holiday, we verbally express it. But the hope that I have and my partner Tami has is that all of our clients always feel the gratitude that we have for them. And I pray that you guys are showing gratitude for all the things that you have in your family and in your lives. Enjoy your holiday, enjoy each other. Please give our team a little grace as we take a little bit of R&R, but we'll be right back to serve big, to make an impact in our community, and hopefully make a great impact in your lives. So God bless you all. Happy Thanksgiving from Erica Page and Jamal Page and the whole Luxury Living International team.
Thank you for allowing the Luxury Living International team to serve you and your family. Again, we honor you and thank you.
Hey everyone, it's America with the Luxury Living International team. Just coming on here to say that I hope you're having an amazing time during this Thanksgiving season and Christmas season with your friends and family. So this is one of the best times of the year for my family for sure, and I hope it is for yours as well. It is time to be thankful and feel blessed. Here at the Luxury Living International team, we have been blessed and thankful to help our clients this year do one of the biggest purchases of their life, a home, usually their first home, helping our clients to build wealth for future generations. And we are so thankful that we did that this year, and we will continue to do that in the years to come. So we hope everyone is having a great holiday season and stay safe out there. And we hope to help you purchase your next home soon.
Hi, Shelby here from Luxury Living International. We just wanted to wish you and your family a very, very, very happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving from Luxury Living
International team.